If you run a Shopify store, the easiest way to grow revenue isn't more traffic, it's getting more from every order. ZS Bundles let you bundle products, stack discount, and upsell automatically. Let me show how to use it, start to finish. When you open the app, this is your dashboard. The top four cards show the numbers that matters the most: extra revenue, average order value, and conversions. And you can switch the time range with one click. Below that, you can see every bundle you have built. Click any row to see its performance and quick actions like edit, deactive, analytics, setup, A/B test, or delete. Let's create one. Hit the create bundle deal, and you'll see six ready-made types, each with a live preview. There's quantity breaks for buying more for the same products, buy X, Y, get Y free, offers multi-pickers, complete the bundle for pairing items, mix and match to customer build their own box, and progressive gifts that unlock as the cart grows. Okay, so pick the one that fits your store the most. I'll go with the quantity breaks by using use quantity breaks, and it will open straight into the editor. Here at first choose the product, then set up your tiers quantity and discount. You can choose the product by all products or select any particular product. So for now I'll go with the Novex Pro. After that you can go to setting and name this. From here you can name the edit which only visible to you. You can see it from the storefront. Sorry, from the dashboard. You can name the block, discount the name the discount, and you can play with the other settings as well. From the style, you can see there are many type of style which will show in this previous section, and it will render exactly into the storefront same as here. You can change the radius, spacing, color, typography, and many other things. For the, you can see this bar one single. This is this one single quantity one, and you can add images if you want. For example, if I add an image, it will render here like this. You can add upsell, add gift. I'll show you in the other bar, like in this duo. Like here, you can add upsell. You can select any product that you want, like the luxury bag. You can see it's added to the upsell. You can set the discount here. The discount will automatically applied like this, 30%. You can change the image. You can change the product image from this edit image. Into the bar here, you can see I can also add gift like this, free gift or free shipping. You can add any product which you want as gift, like this pulse fit smartwatch. It's added, and it's zero because it's free. You can also add free shipping. You can also add more bar if you want. So then you can see below there are some several options you can play around, like volume discount, which will add a discount with other products. You can select any particular product which you want. You can edit the image. You can choose from here. You can edit the color. After that, you can also add countdown timer like this. You can change the timer. You can change the text. You can change the background text, alignment, everything. You can change the size. Then you can see there is scratch off, which you can use for any particular gift, which you can use for any particular gift to show into the storefront. After that, you can see checkbox upsell. You can add upsell from here. You can see progressive gift. We've already added this. You can see sticky add to cart, which will add the sticky bar from the bottom to the bottom. So this is how you will customize every edit from here. After that, after clicking publish, you can see it's published. So now you have to enable it from the storefront. So first you need to go to the edit theme and go to that particular product page where you need to add this. So I have chosen this device. After that, you need to add a app block, which is called ZS Bundle here. Like here, you will see the app render here, like this, same as the app. After that, you need to click save, and you are done. This is how the app works. Head to the analytics page to see exactly what's working. That's it. Create a bundle, style it, publish it, and start lifting every order's value. Install ZS Bundle and build your first deal today. Thank you.